Neuroplasticity is one of the coolest things about how the brain functions. It's the brain's ability to shift and change across the course of time. Neuroplasticity is part of a larger construct that our brain does when our neurons fire and wire together and then begin to prioritize certain types of experiences and stimuli, saying these ones matter and we're going to use them repeatedly. There's an old adage that is known as use it or lose it, and that definitely applies to our brain. So if you've ever learned something or somebody's shown you how to do something and in the moment you're like, oh, I've got it, and then you try to do it 6 months later and you can't, that's because your brain did not develop the neural pathways that were strong enough to remember how to do it. Interestingly, there is another version of neuroplasticity called stress-induced structural plasticity. And when something is stressful enough, our brain actually prioritizes that type of neuroplasticity over our more traditional learning paradigms that we think of when we think of neuroplasticity.